Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, October 1st, 2010. Today we had a total of 12 executable trade signals for a max potential of -3 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, this was a wild and woolly day Friday. There was a lot of back and forth price action, and there was quite a bit of chop that went on with the system when it was ranging. Basically, the market opened up at 11:45. The first signal of the day came on this pullback to the moving average. There was only basically one candle pullback. It hit our entry signal, went on to hit T2, but we're going to count this as a no fill because more than likely anyone that was going for that, there were so few contracts traded and the reaction was so quick, there was not an opportunity to get into that trade. And then the market came back up to the moving average, gave a signal to get long, did get the first contract off of that particular trade, so ended up with a T1 -2, and then it chopped right back the other way. Then gave another signal to get long, another T1 -2 opportunity, and then after that stop out, the market made this fast move to the downside, actually set up a signal to get short, and that signal was blown all the way through T0 -14, and then it went right back for a signal long, T1 -2, and then dropped off, went and closed the daily half gap, bounced off the pivot, did provide an extension signal to the downside, T2 plus 11 on that extension move. Market found a little bit of support, bounced back through the moving average, and it's just now 10:15, and by 10:15 we actually had an extension signal to go long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside, and then it sliced back down through the moving average. It was just violent price action all the way down to the previous day's 4 o'clock close. Found a little bit of a bounce there. You can see that it kind of just started trading sideways from about 10:30 to 10:40 or so, came back to our moving average at the 10:45 confirmation time, gave a signal to get long. The signal went up, just got within a tick, ended up with a T1 -2, didn't quite make it all the way to its T2 profit objective. And on that, after that stop out, came down and again chopped right back to the other side, gave a signal to get short. That produced a T1 -2, and then right at the 11:15 reversal time going into lunch, signal to get long, full stop out on that, led into a signal to get short, T1, T2 plus 7. So as you can see, the morning was just hectic, back and forth price action, violent moves, went through our levels, kind of a odd day, and the system produced a lot of signals when you're in a range environment like that, and there was a lot of T1s and a couple of T2 or a T0 stop outs in there. Now between 11:30 and 1:15, that's the red area you see on the chart, we do not initiate any new trades. We wait until lunch is over. We call it our lunchtime dead zone. You can see the market made a nice move up through the pivot, came back towards that pivot, gave a signal to get long. Again, first contract off, rolled over, T1 -2, and then on the subsequent reset, there was not a signal to go short, but there was another signal to get long, and that one did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside, and then we quit at 3 o'clock. So it was a busy day. 12 trades, which is 2 to 3 times more than what we would typically get from our trading plan signal setups. Ended up there was a lot of chop in there, a couple of full stop outs, a couple of winners. All in all, net 12 trades, -3 ES ticks. So even on a day where things are extremely choppy and messy, there's still an opportunity for this system to keep fighting, keep digging, and even though it's a losing day, it's one of those days that doesn't sting as bad as it could have with all that chop. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this trading plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com, or just simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.